Let me say this straight. If your mornings are out of control, your discipline is weak. No matter what you tell yourself, you can save routines and watch motivation, but still fail daily. If you wake up late and grab your phone, you're training your brain to accept distraction. You're not just wasting time. You're slowly building habits that make your life average and unfocused. Your life doesn't collapse all at once. It quietly slips away in small, unnoticed morning decisions. Every delay, every distraction, every lazy start builds a pattern that shapes your future without warning. Most people think success comes from big moves, but it actually comes from how you start your day. The first hour after waking up decides your mindset, your energy, and how seriously you take yourself. If your morning begins with chaos, your entire day follows that same scattered, reactive energy. But if your morning starts with control, your day moves with intention, clarity, and quiet confidence. This is where real change begins, not in motivation, not in plans, but in daily morning discipline. Because the way you wake up is the way you live, whether you realize it or not. Today, you're not just learning habits, you're understanding the hidden system behind a powerful life. And once you fix your mornings, everything else slowly starts falling into place without force. Discipline doesn't start when you feel motivated. It starts the moment your alarm rings every morning. The first battle of your day is simple. Get up immediately, without thinking, without negotiating. Pick a fixed wake-up time and treat it like a rule, not a suggestion you can break. Even if you slept late, still wake up, because consistency trains your brain more than comfort ever will. The moment you hit snooze, you send a signal that discipline can be delayed whenever it feels uncomfortable. But when you get up instantly, you build self-respect and control that carries into the rest of your day. Once you're up, don't stay in bed, don't touch your phone, and don't give your mind time to drift. Start with one simple action. Drink a full glass of water to activate your body and clear your system. Then move your body immediately, because motion is what shifts your state from sleepy to fully alert. Running, stretching, or basic exercises are enough to wake your muscles, your mind, and your energy levels. At first, it feels uncomfortable, but that discomfort is exactly what builds strength and mental resilience. You're teaching yourself to act despite resistance, and that skill transfers into every area of your life. After movement, your mind feels sharper, your mood improves, and starting difficult tasks becomes much easier. This is why disciplined people don't wait to feel ready. They create readiness through immediate action. After moving your body, your system is fully awake, but now it needs the right fuel. What you eat in the morning directly affects your focus, energy, and mental clarity for the day ahead. Most people ignore this and choose convenience, grabbing processed or outside food without thinking twice. But careless eating leads to low energy, brain fog, and a lack of control over your daily performance. Instead, keep your breakfast simple, clean, and focused on high-protein, natural foods that support your body. Eggs, yogurt, vegetables, or anything homemade that provides steady energy without unnecessary additives or distractions. But the real habit isn't just what you eat, it's how you prepare it every single morning. Make your own breakfast, because that small act builds awareness, responsibility, and a deeper sense of discipline. When you prepare your own food, you stay connected to your choices and avoid careless consumption patterns. You become more intentional, more mindful, and more in control of what fuels your body every day. This isn't about chasing taste or temporary satisfaction. It's about fueling your system for performance and clarity. Eat to support your goals, your focus, and your long-term energy, not just to fill your stomach quickly. Once your body is fueled properly, your mind becomes sharper and ready to handle demanding, focused work. Now you're not reacting to the day anymore. You're prepared to take control and move with purpose. Now comes the part that separates people who stay stuck from those who actually improve their lives. You've built momentum, your body is awake, your mind is sharp, and your energy is fully activated. This is your peak focus window, the time when your brain performs at its highest level. And most people waste it on easy tasks, distractions, or things that don't really move their life forward. Instead, make a simple rule. Do your hardest and most important task first every single day. The task you avoid, the one that feels uncomfortable, the one that actually requires deep thinking and effort. When you attack difficult work early, You remove mental pressure that would otherwise follow you all day. You stop procrastinating, and instead, you build confidence by proving to yourself that you can handle hard things. Even 60 to 90 minutes of focused, uninterrupted work is enough to create massive daily progress. No distractions, no multitasking, just full attention on one meaningful task that actually matters. If you're a student, use this time for difficult subjects, weak areas, and concepts that need real effort. If you're working, focus on high-value tasks that directly improve your skills, results, and long-term growth. Once the hardest part of your day is done, everything else starts to feel lighter and more manageable. You carry a sense of control, confidence, and clarity that stays with you throughout the entire day. This is how your mornings begin to change your life, not through motivation, but through consistent execution. So start tomorrow, commit to the process, and take control of your life one morning at a time.